So, news on Dojo. Tesla supercomputer Dojo will help Tesla accelerate not only the EV business, but also help in developing Tesla's robot and more. And it looks like Dojo, Tesla supercomputer, is getting a new home, which was the latest news on Tesla, but we'll get a little bit more into it. If you stay long enough, we'll talk about the news that happened last week. So welcome back to my channel where I give you the latest Tesla news. At Tesla's headquarters in Austin, Texas, a new bunker-like structure is under construction that could one day help move the company beyond electric vehicle manufacturing. When completed, the building will house part of a new supercomputer known as Dojo that Tesla is assembling to help run the artificial intelligence software behind the self-driving capabilities in its vehicle, according to two people familiar with the project. Eventually, Tesla could use Dojo to sell cloud services to other companies the way Amazon Web Services does, Elon Musk said. This is from tomshardware.com. Tesla will double its Dojo D1 supercomputing chip orders. A successful Dojo supercompute rollout could reduce the firm's NVIDIA dependence. Tesla is confidently doubling its Dojo D1 supercomputing chip order with TSMC, Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Corporation Ltd. ADR, according to a report published by Taiwan's Economic Daily. The custom Tesla application-specific integrated circuit ASIC is designed to power its Dojo supercomputer to train driver assistance and self-driving AI models, but also expected to find a wider use in robotaxis and associated services. The report says that Tesla will order 10,000 units of Dojo's D1 ASIC with TSMC. It also adds that the order volume will continue to increase into 2025. The Economic Daily frames this story mostly from TSMC's perspective, saying that the chipmaker HPC-related order momentum has increased thanks to Tesla. Currently, Tesla is a big consumer of NVIDIA's GPUs. In 2021, it is claimed Tesla was using a primary unnamed cluster using 5,760 NVIDIA A100 graphics processing units to develop the autopilot ADAS. Last month, we reported that Tesla was due to switch on a powerful new NVIDIA-based supercomputer packing in 10,000 NVIDIA's H100 GPUs. A central feature of Dojo is scalability. Tesla will likely start leveraging its AI computing power outside of its automotive-related business, Morgan Stanley analysts suggest to CNN. They foresee Dojo supercomputer addressing new market, benefiting the business in a familiar way, to what AWS does for Amazon. Now, here Forbes announced, in an era marked by unprecedented advancements in AI and machine learning, Tesla's Dojo supercomputer is gathering a lot of attention following a positive write-up from Morgan Stanley, creating skepticism and usually Elon Musk-generated controversy. Supercomputing and AI are more than just corporate diversifications. They provide an insight into how Elon and Tesla think about innovation and vertical integration. Every Tesla vehicle is transmitting data back to Tesla to power the company's effort to develop full self-driving capabilities. Meshing a huge mobile and camera network with powerful edge computing capabilities to a packed supercomputer designed in-house to learn from that data is a paradigm we haven't seen before and elevates Tesla beyond purely a vehicle manufacturer. Tesla's Dojo promises to revolutionize the AI processing landscape by focusing solely on improving the company's FSD capabilities. With this vertical integration, Tesla aims to construct an ecosystem that encompasses hardware, data, and practical application, a trifecta that could usher in an era of supercomputing designed for real-world data processing. Historically, Tesla relied on NVIDIA's GPU clusters to train its neural network for autopilot systems. Despite the lack of clarity in performance metrics such as single precision or double precision floating point calculations, Tesla claimed to operate a computing cluster that stood as the fifth largest supercomputer in the world as of 2021. The architectural uniqueness of Dojo is evident in its building block. While some industry experts consider Dojo to be an incremental rather than revolutionary change, and others downplay everything Musk is associated with a cluster. Being developed entirely in-house, Dojo provides Tesla with the kind of control that can lead to accelerated development cycles, thereby fast-tracking innovation in autonomous vehicles and possibly other domains in AI, including the computer version-powered robots Tesla is working on. In summary, Dojo signals a shift in the supercomputing paradigm, one that learns toward edge-driven vertical integration specializations and scalable architecture. Its potential can provide Tesla with a technical mode that others will never be able to catch up. So wow, this is pretty amazing. On Sunday, Tesla Cybertruck reportedly got auctioned off for $400,000 ahead of its official launch. The low VIN number on the Cybertruck that was auctioned at the Peterson Automotive Museum in Los Angeles late Saturday sold for $400,000. Jay Leno, who is a Tesla fan, hosted the auction. And of course, this was crazy. As always, on Monday, Elon Musk teases Cybertruck fans with a thrilling off-roading live stream from X from Baja. 1.4 million viewers tuned in. The live stream was done via SpaceX unit, Starlink satellite services, and of course, here we go, all the downgrades. Wells Fargo cuts Tesla price target to $260 from $265, keeps equal weight rating. So the German union must have watched the American news. Tesla employees in Germany flag unfair working conditions during union tension. Workers at Tesla Berlin facility are voicing growing unease about safety issues and intense working conditions as revealed by the German union. Over 1,000 employees donning stickers demanding safe and fair work, according to reports from Bloomberg. The core grievance the employees highlighted pertain to challenging work environments, elevated work demands resulting from understaffing and aggressive production objectives. And now this would be awesome. On Tuesday, Tesla Cybertruck set to drive profit skyward after it starts shipping by year's end, says analyst Ming-Chi Kuo. TF, international security analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, sees Tesla's Cybertruck commencing shipping by the end of the year, not before. The analyst sees the Cybertruck contributing significantly to Tesla's revenue and profit growth for years to come. The contribution will not be dimmed by seasonality or economic downturns. And of course, I like this. Morgan Stanley's Adam Jonas foresees car-smartphone convergence. Morgan Stanley's analyst Adam Jonas sees the lines between the automobile and mobile device market blur away as cars become increasingly defined by their software. This, he believes, will have implications for Tesla. The vehicle is now increasingly defined by the software and key attributes of the connected vehicles, including primary hardware of a smartphone, be it battery, screen, camera, modem, antenna, and so on. And if you like this kind of content, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss another video. UBS maintains neutral on Tesla lowest price target to $266 from $290. So this was pretty cool. Tesla's Model Y crosses 2 million sales milestone, poised to outsell the Model 3 as best-selling EV. As released in March of 2020, the Model Y is now one of the best-selling electric vehicles in the world. Not only is the Tesla vehicle a top-selling EV, but also ranks amongst the world's best-selling vehicles, irrespective of its electric nature. A new report shared by Clean Technical says the Model Y recently passed the 2 million unit sales milestone in just 3.5 years, a remarkable achievement for any vehicle. This means that the Model Y could pass the Model 3 in the current fourth quarter and become the best-selling electric vehicle of all times. Tesla is guiding to 1.8 million units sold for the full fiscal year. Over the long term, Tesla's goal is 50% annual production growth. A target of 1.8 million cars in 2023 would put the company ahead of this milestone for the full year. Outside of the Model Y, Tesla may have its next bestseller coming soon with the highly anticipated Cybertruck. Also, Tesla is now offering vehicle wraps starting at $7,500 in the US. Tesla is enhancing the customization option for its EVs by offering exclusive factory wraps for the 2023 Model Y and Model 3 in the United States. And on Wednesday, Tesla's high-stakes Q3 earnings report will margins erosion trigger a stock sell-off. Tesla is gearing up for the reveal of its third quarter financial performance, and analysts are bracing for the report and subsequent earnings call. Scheduled for October 18th, Tesla results from amidst a backdrop of price reductions and sluggish vehicle sales. Tesla stock has faced a downward trend following earnings releases over the recent quarters, with declines occurring in 7 of its past 12 quarters, according to Future Fund's managing director Gary Black. He attributes this to concern surrounding earnings quality and negative management commentary during conference calls. Earnings quality concerns include factors like regulatory credits, non-operating income, or low tax rates. The consensus estimate for Tesla's earnings share stands at $0.75, a decrease from the initial estimate of $0.78 before the third quarter deliveries were disclosed. According to Black, the most crucial metric this quarter is the autocross margins, excluding regulatory credits. While Street estimate is at 18%, Black projections is 17.1%. In the past 2 earnings calls, Elon Musk alarmed investors, suggesting the possibility of lowering autocross margins to zero, offset by revenue from FSD. Additionally, they indicate a third quarter volume might dip sequentially due to factory upgrades. Also, Tesla management is likely to convey on the earnings call that margins will experience a slight improvement in the December quarter, aligning with the current consensus of 18.4%, Monster said. Monster estimates that if 1 million of Cybertruck's orders convert into firm orders over the next 3 years, Tesla may need to manufacture 330,000 units of Cybertrucks annually, an ambitious goal. And French finance minister said most electric vehicles produced in Europe, some are made in Asia, will qualify for subsidies in France. And it seems like Gordon Johnson found 3 drivers who do not plan to buy another Tesla again. Anyway, on Wednesday, electric vehicle sales to reach 2 billion by 2050. Internal combustion engine vehicles to reach peak between 2027 and 2033, according to Reuters. Citigroup maintains neutral on Tesla, lowers price target to $271. And this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and goodbye.